Liya Smart Experience Park will be an initial point for the Smart China Expo in Chongqing and an example for the future smart life. We see the nature as the source of the technical development. Smart industry integrates into the landscape. We create our building as a landscape, and we make this environment accessible for the visitors. Our concept starts with redesigning a Chinese landscape. We resemble the site with the elements of the beautiful Chinese drawings containing water surfaces, hills, rocks and vegetation. We use natural materials and create a building which is not just fulfilling the high ecological standard, it becomes a habitat for fauna and flora at the Baiyun Lake Park. It interacts with the green and blue circle of the surrounding, offering a continuous flow of nature movement. Chongqing is placed in the Sichuan Basin in the middle of the Zhongliang, Minjue and Tongguo Mountains, a geographical situation which is very extraordinary. We want to make this geographical constellation visible. We create a landscape ambient which is based on this syncline folding on top of the existing landscape. Our design offers aesthetics for the users with a low-carbon building, composed of natural and environmentally friendly and sustainable materials. The roof structure is based on three-dimensional beams from bamboo. Roof gardens and greenhouses with climbing plants convert the building into a landscape where the presence of flora and fauna will be the protagonist. The surface of the roof will be specially efficient by applying green as a construction material. It will be climate interactive and has a decontaminating factor to neutralize emissions. A dynamic facade with a smart facade system will reduce the energy consumption by sun tracking and shadow management. Natural light, natural ventilation and cooling system will improve the energetic scheme. We use the surface of the lake to cool the fresh air which circulate in the building, improving the energy balance. For the comfort of the users, we designed the building in a human scale. We defragment the big volume of the interior program in the outside of the building, and we give a scale width as adapted to the fullest integration in the landscape. From the entrance with reception, cafe bar, administration and VIP zone, we step down a big ramp to the main level where the conference hall opens to the lake. We follow another ramp to the garden level with exposition space and restaurant to the garden terrace. The building offers an entrance from the access road with a loop for taxis and another entrance on the garden level and the lake walkway. The entrances are connected by an interior staircase, ramp which connects all the important functions of the building. The road-level cafe. Beside the entrance we find a small tea house and espresso bar which is connected with the adjacent contract signing and the VIP zone. This unit offers the possibility of separated activities of the conference visitors. The conference hall is the heart of the building with its big panoramic view to the lake. The hall can be divided in small unities each with own access. The conference hall has different zones defined by the panoramic windows and by the roof light of the building. The building will be designed with material which help to improve the acoustical comfort. The glass facade is designed in different angles and inclinations and offers an improvement in the acoustic. The vestibule zone. In front of the main conference hall and in other levels around the ramp we find a light and open space for the distribution with waiting zones, catering zones and relaxing zones. The garden level. An exposition space and a restaurant are placed beside the entrance from the garden and offer the view to the park and a big outdoor terrace. From this level the parking can be reached. Our concept starts with rethinking a Chinese landscape. Like as an allegory of the Chinese landscape appear the building and is merging hills and green and plants and water.